Kobert Inn is a big format mural coating created with the objective of decorating private and public interiors. Each plate is 4 millimeters thick and 2600 by 1220 millimeters in size. For the installation of the Kobert Inn plates, we're going to need the following tools: circular saw with cutting guide, rubber trowel to apply the grout material, sponge rubber to clean up the grout surplus, power drill. It's only necessary if we have to make holes for plugs, fits, etc. Paper adhesive tape, 120 grain sandpaper sponge. The products we recommend for the installation of the plates are the following: Mapeflex MS45, Flex Color 4 LVT, polymeric fill milled for 2 to 20 millimeter joints. Let's begin. First, we're going to put the plates out, and after making sure they're in good shape, we're going to take them one by one and with 2 people to the place of the installation. If we need to rest the piece during movement, we recommend placing it on some kind of surface softer than the piece, such as wood or rubber. To work in the best conditions, we'll have to choose a wide and safe zone as close to the installation as possible. In this case, we're working in the room next to the bathroom that we want to remodel. We also recommend that the cutting table has a comfortable height for the installers to work with the maximum precision. Before cutting the plates, we should check the wall's planimetry with a 2-meter ruler in various directions. If the difference was higher than 3 millimeters, we should level the surface with some filling material that stays fixed to the wall. We will also have to check that there's no humidity and to clean the excess of dust, grease, or any other substance that could compromise the correct adherence of the adhesive. Let's proceed to the cut. Before anything else, we'll measure and mark all the existing elements of the wall where the plate is going to be placed. Depending on the type of cut that we need to do, we'll use the circular saw or the power drill. The cutting operation has to be done always on the decorated side of the plate. Before cutting it, we'll fix it to the cutting guide with some pressure clamps. For a straight cut, we recommend the use of the bracket. When the cut is done, we'll rework the edge with the sandpaper sponge for the best finish. In the majority of the ornaments, the layout of the Kobert Inn plates has 5 different graphics per design. All the plates come with a little watermark in the top left corner. This detail will be very useful when we need to plan a little scheme for their placement, following the numeric order. Now we'll apply the adhesive to the plate. With its non-decorated side facing upwards, we'll remove the protective film and begin to apply the adhesive. Very important. The adhesive bead shouldn't be more than 3 millimeters thick. This measure can be known by looking at the opening of the applying cartridge. The adhesive should be applied in a perimeter bead around the whole piece, and after that we'll add vertical beads every 10 centimeters. After applying the adhesive, it's time to take the plate to its final destination. Very important. The adhesive will let us readjust for about 15 to 20 minutes, although the ambient humidity can alter this time. If there's a lot of humidity, the time is reduced, and if there's little, the time is longer. Between plates, we recommend putting 3 millimeter separation crosses in rooms smaller than 50 meters square. In bigger rooms, we recommend putting a dilation contour. When all the plates are in their final position, we'll proceed to grout them. By each joint of the plates, we'll put some paper tape. This will help us to keep the rest of the surface clean when we apply the recommended material with a rubber trowel. 20 minutes after the application of this product, we'll proceed to clean up the excess with a sponge trowel or a simple sponge soaked with water. This operation shouldn't be delayed since the grouted material dries up fast and will be hard to clean. So, we recommend that between the product application and its cleaning, let no more than 20 minutes pass. This is the final result after a morning of work. As you can see, all the plates are perfectly cut and installed on this bathroom's walls, giving it a completely renovated style.